The number of degrees in the measures of the interior angles of a pentagon are 5 consecutive integers. What is the number of degrees in the largest angle? Now first we know pentagon, 5-sided shape. We'll draw that 5-sided shape because this is a geometry problem. Let's see. Go, nice little pentagon there. Okay, there we go. So there's our pentagon. Now, first they want the largest number of degrees. What is the number of degrees in the largest angle? Not sure what the largest angle is in here. So first, we'll look at the sum of the measures of the angles in all of our pentagons. Now, first, how to find that is we can cut our pentagon into triangles. 3 triangles, and what the triangle is so useful for is we just basically automatically know that a triangle is 180 degrees. So that's what makes it easy to figure out the degree measure of any polygon. We just take 3 triangles. Each one of those triangles has 180 degrees. None of the angles are counted more than once. We just take 3 times 180 degrees. Now we'll look at this same formula for finding the sum of the measures of degree. The sum of the degree measures of any polygon. So say I have S sides. Well, then the number of degrees measured, the sum of the degrees measures of our angle will be S minus 2 times 180. Can stick S in here. We have 5 sides, S for sides, minus 2, we get 3 times 180, so it all fits. But we're pretty sure this formula is right. So I can go ahead and compute this. 3 times 18, add on 0. Well, 3 times 18, that's 3 times 10 plus 3 times 8. 30 plus 24, that's 54. Plop on an extra 0 back there. We have 540. Okay, so now we got the degrees measure of the sum of all the angles, all the degree measure of our interior angles in our pentagon. What now? Hey, if we divide by 5, we'll get the median, or you could say the average, of our 5 consecutive integers. You can see that, give you a little example, easy example. Say I have these 5 numbers, I want to add them. You can just add them, they're pretty easy to add, that's 15. You can also see I have 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 4 is 6, and I add this extra 3. That means I have our 3 times our 5, the number of numbers, which is 15. You get that, that's pretty easy. So that's why if we divide by 5, we can go the opposite direction, we can get our median. And then we add our median, or the average is the number right in the middle, and then we take the number right in the middle, and then we can work out, and then we get the whole list, and then we find a number that's right on the outside. Okay, that's a good plan. Let's see, take 540 divided by 5. Again, use a little kind of distributive property. 500 divided by 5, that's 500 divided by 5, that's 100. And then we take this extra 40 divided by 5, that's 8. You add 108, you get 108. That means 108 is our median. Just like I said, it can take the median and work outside. So we take our median. The 2 numbers after it is 109 and 110. We know that's our answer. I'll finish this list off with the beginning for you. Let's see. 107, 106. And just to make sure our list and then all our tricks we did is correct, we'll add the sum of all these, make sure we get 540. Well, first we add these 500, that's 500. And then we add on the extras from these 500. 6 plus 7 is 13. Add on 8, you get 21. Add on another 9, you get 30. 21 plus 9 is 30. And then you add on 10, you have 40. 500 plus 40, indeed, that's 540. Check the answer. We're pretty sure we're right.